Hello and welcome to Ielts and English Arena. I'm Deepshikha Somal, and the objective of this channel is to provide the viewers an online platform where they can learn the Ielts course and English both in an easier and better way. Today's video is going to be all about Ielts. Yes, today I'm going to talk about the format of the Ielts test. Ielts is International English Language Testing System. This test is given by those who wish to go abroad. Why is this test conducted? Must be the question that comes to your mind. Well, actually, this test is conducted to assess the proficiency level of the candidates in English. There are two categories of the Ielts test, and they are the academic Ielts test and the general Ielts test. The academic Ielts test is given by those who want to pursue their higher education abroad, and the general Ielts test is conducted for those who either want to work abroad or who want to get settled abroad. There are two conducting authorities of the Ielts test in India, and they are British Council and IDP. You must be wondering that is there a difference between these two? Well, actually there's no difference at all. So when you want to give the test, you may register through British Council or IDP. Both are equally good. Coming to the test format. There are 4 modules in the Ielts test, and they are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. These 4 modules have been mentioned in the order as they are conducted. The listening, reading and writing test is conducted on the same day, but the speaking test can be conducted either on the same day or it may be conducted on any other day within 7 days before or after your test. By test, I mean the listening, reading and writing test. The first module that I'm going to talk about, the listening module. The duration of the listening test is going to be 40 minutes approximately, and during these 40 minutes you will come across an audio for 30 minutes and you will be given 10 minutes after the audio has finished for transferring the answers on the answer sheet. So for the first 30 minutes you are required to listen to the audio and answer the questions that follow. Remember that the recording is not going to be played again. So you need to be very attentive and careful while listening to the answers. Also, you need to make a note that the answers are going to follow a sequence. This means that the answer for question number 8 is going to obviously come after the answer for question number 6 or 7. So after the audio is finished, you will get 10 minutes, and during these 10 minutes, you're supposed to copy the answers on the answer sheet. This comes to a total of 40 minutes approximately, and during this test, there would be 40 questions that you are required to answer. There are 4 parts in the listening test, and each part contains 10 questions. So this comes to a total of 40 questions, and the marking would be on a band scale of 9. This means that if you are able to answer 40 questions correctly, you will score 9 band. That comes to the end of the listening module. The next module is reading module. The reading test duration is going to be 1 hour, and this test is different for both the categories, the academic test category and the general test category. For the academic test category, during the 1 hour you're required to do 3 passages, and each passage will have 13 to 14 questions each, and this comes to a total of 40 questions that you're required to answer, and the marking is going to be on a band scale of 9. For the general test, there will be 3 sections in your question paper. In the first 2 sections, you will find 2 parts each, and each part will have 6 to 7 questions. In the third section, there would be 13 to 14 questions, and that again comes to a total of 40 questions. and marking is going to be on a band scale of 9. Also, you need to make a note that there is no extra time given for transferring the answers to the answer sheet in this test, like the listening test. So, you need to ensure that you simultaneously write the answers on the answer sheet as you finish the first, second, and the third passage. The next module is the writing module. The duration of the writing module is 1 hour. And again, the writing module is also different for both the test categories, academic and general. During these 1 hour, for both the categories, there are 2 tasks that need to be completed. For the academic test category, the task 1 would be a report writing on a graph, a chart, or a diagram, and you will be given 20 minutes to complete this task, and you're supposed to write a minimum of 150 words. In the task 2 for academic, you're supposed to write an essay in a minimum of 250 words, and you will be given 40 minutes to complete this. For the general writing module, for task 1, you need to do a letter writing that can be formal, informal, or semi-formal as per the question. And the task 2 is going to be an essay again. This essay needs to be written in a minimum of 250 words. And for the letter, 150 words. So, the word limit is crucial, and you need to adhere to the word limit in both the categories, academic and general, because you might end up losing your score in case you are not able to adhere to the word limit. Finally, the speaking module. The speaking test is going to be conducted on your listening, reading, and writing test day or any other day, as I told you earlier. So the duration of the speaking test is going to be 15 to 20 minutes. The speaking test is divided into 3 parts, namely introduction, cue card, and follow-up questions. The first part is the introduction round, wherein the examiner is going to ask you some questions related to your personal life, that may be on your family background, your schooling, your workplace, your college life, or maybe about your hobbies, etc. This round will last for about 5 to 6 minutes. The next part would be the cue card topic round, wherein the examiner is going to give you a cue card topic, and there would be some sub-questions related to the topic that you are required to answer. You will be given 1 minute to prepare the answer, and you will also be given a notepad and a pen to write or make notes if you want to. After 1 minute, you're supposed to speak on the topic for 2 minutes continuously, and you also need to ensure that you answer all parts of the question. That is critical. The final round, or the third part, is going to be a follow-up questions part, wherein there will be some follow-up questions that would be asked related to the cue card topic, or it may also be asked from any other topic. This round is also going to last for around 5 to 7 minutes. So that comes to a total of around 15 to 20 minutes for the speaking test. And this also comes to an end of the session. Hope you liked the session. And if you really liked the session, please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.